Latest digital trends. Instagram testing 10-minute reels for long-form video content. Google introduces new limited ad serving policy. Reddit launches AI-powered keyword research tool. Meta is now showing a carousel of suggested threads on Instagram to bump up engagement. Google Search Generative Experience officially rolls out links to web pages within answers. Google Photos locked folder now supports cross-device backup. Microsoft is unbundling Teams from Office in Europe to address regulator concerns. Google Wallet goes live in Colombia via new partnership. AWS introduces M7 a general-purpose AMD Genoa instances. Google Chat introduces interoperability with Slack and Microsoft Teams. YouTube Music gets more social, adds comments to the now playing screen. TikTok's AR effect house comes out of beta mode. Elon Musk says audio and video calls are coming to Twitter X. Twitter X indicates it will start collecting biometric information and employment history. For more digital trend, visit kiramvoleti.com.